Welcome to Devices Setup channel where we help you resolve issues related to different devices and gadgets. And today we will set up Netgear Ex8000 X6S AC3000 Wi-Fi range extender. That is pretty long name. So you can set it up via browser and via WPS. So let's start with the browser setup first. So first and foremost, plug your Netgear extender near your router and wait for the power LED to turn stable. Now, on your phone or computer, go to the Wi-Fi list and look for Netgear_EXT network name. You need to connect to this network. Once connected, the setup window will pop up automatically, and if it doesn't, then open a browser on the very same device and in the URL type mywifi.ext.net or type 192.168.1.250 on the setup page. Follow the on-screen instructions. Then it will ask you to choose the network name that you want to extend. So here, it is simply asking you to select your router's network SSID that you want to extend, and you need to put its password for confirmation and just save the settings. Now, you will be able to see the newly set up extender network name in your Wi-Fi list, and by default, the extender network name will come up as your home network name underscore ext. So this ext at the end signifies the extended network, and by default, the password will be same as your router's Wi-Fi password. So the next method to set up the Netgear EX8000 Wi-Fi extender is via WPS. So in this method, make sure both your router and extender are plugged in the same room. Now first press the WPS button on your router, and within 2 minutes, press the WPS button on your Netgear Wi-Fi range extender. Now solid Wi-Fi or internet LED on the extender will confirm a successful WPS connection, and you will be able to see the newly set up extender network name in your Wi-Fi list. Again, it will come up as your home network name underscore ext, and by default the password will be same as your router's Wi-Fi password. So this is how you can set up your Netgear Wi-Fi extender. Moreover, if you want help related to Netgear extender, then get in touch with official Netgear support. The link is provided in the description. Also, if you find this video useful, then do kindly hit like and subscribe button. Also, we do provide independent support. So if you need help with any device like computer, printer, cameras, router, etc., then get in touch with our representative on our official website, devicessetup.com. Thank you and have a wonderful day ahead.